Come hither. I have something to show you. Behold my rod of judgment. So we got to figure out grates. Grates must sit on something. This is angle iron, it's 1 inch. In theory, again, because this is all hypothetical here. Hypothetically speaking, if we set this 1 inch angle iron flush with our doors, like so, we should be able to set our 1 inch flat bar, or not flat bar, 1 inch tubing on top of the angle iron, and we'll have a flush fit. Come take a look, we'll show you, So, we're thinking something like this. We're 1 inch down, and we're 1 inch down off of the bottom of the door, because the 1 inch should offset our 1 inch tubing. That way the 1 inch tubing sits flush. Can I reach that? I don't think I can reach that. Stand by. Should look something like this. And then we'll take our expanded metal. All right, this will be a square. You can use your imagination. 1 square, right? And then we'll take our expanded metal, lay it right on top, weld it down, and then we'll have us a grate. Now I'm just, I'm about to clean the smoker. I'm hitting it with a thin layer of Power Purple. It's a commercial degreaser. I hit the entire inside of the pit with the Power Purple, and then I followed it up with this this backyard concoction here, if you will. It's apple cider vinegar, and then this is some hydrogen peroxide. And I think I was just kind of making up the ratios as I went. I wanted something that I wanted something to foam up, knock out that ethyl mark captain, which smelled like death. So I figure apple cider vinegar, hydrogen, and then some Dawn dish soap. So put some water in there, foamed up, and yeah, I just hit the tank. Any place that I could reach on that tank was getting hit with the old Trinity. There's nothing better than just seasoning the inside of a 500-gallon smoker. I had a lot of fun. If you love barbecue, if you love smokers like this, then there's something about laying just a fresh coat of oil on some rusty steel that just gets y'all in the feel. So I took some really cheap vegetable oil, and I took a paint roller, as you can see, and I literally just painted the entire inside of the smoker. I wanted to get it all of it covered. I hit the inside of the doors, the walls, I hit everything. And I burned a little fire in my firebox, probably on the inside of the pit. If I had gauges in there, it was probably at like 320 degrees, something like that. And I just let it roll for about 4 or 5 hours, and then I just repeated this process until the entire inside of the tank was jet black. So I think it took me three passes in total to get it fully seasoned. Once we got everything measured and cut and tacked together as far as the frame is concerned, the only thing left to do is to set our expanded metal, I think it's number 9, set it on top of our frame and tack it in, and get our grates set into our smoker. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Meet and greet over and out.